Hi everyone! Welcome to Day 1 English Tagalog Translation.
Are we nearly there yet? Nasaan na ba tayo? Nasaan na ba tayo? Where are we going today? Saan tayo pupunta ngayon? Saan tayo pupunta ngayon? There's nothing in here. Wala nang laman dito. Wala nang laman dito. You must be more careful. Kailangan mong maging maingat. Kailangan mong maging maingat. Can I go to the front, please? Pwede ba akong pumunta sa harap pakiusap? Pwede ba akong pumunta sa harap pakiusap? Can I have my hat back, please? Pwede ko bang makuha ang aking sombrero ulit pakiusap? Pwede ko bang makuha ang aking sombrero ulit pakiusap? That's where I put it. That's where I put it. Doon ko nilagay yon. Doon ko nilagay yon. Are you okay there? Are you okay there? Okay ka lang ba dyan? Okay ka lang ba dyan? Do you need any help or advice, George? Kailangan mo ba ng tulong o payo, George? Kailangan mo ba ng tulong o payo, George? We're doing just fine, thank you. We're doing just fine, thank you. Okay lang kami. Salamat. Okay lang kami. Salamat. Time to head back. Time to head back. Oras na para bumalik. Oras na para bumalik. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Magpatuloy sa magandang trabaho. Magpatuloy sa magandang trabaho. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Anong plano mo? Anong plano mo? What's the matter? What's the matter? Anong problema mo? Anong problema mo? You'd never guess, would you? You'd never guess, would you? Hindi mo talaga aakalain. Ano? Hindi mo talaga aakalain, ano? About what? Tungkol saan? Tungkol saan? This looks fun. Mukhang masaya ito. Mukhang masaya ito. There you are. There you are. Nandyan or nandito ka na. Nandito ka na. Nandito ka na. Does anyone know what it is called? Does anyone know what it is called? May alam ba ang sino man kung ano ang tawag nito? May alam ba ang sino man kung ano ang tawag nito? How do you do that? Paano mo nagagawa yan? Paano mo nagagawa yan?